African Portland Cement will delay the publication of its audited financial results for the year ended 30th June 2019. The company's board says the delay is due to the fact that the process of the appointment of a new Auditor General who is responsible for certifying the financial statements is yet to be finalized. The board had initially thought that the recruitment would have been finalized in time for publication of the statements before the end of this month, but it has been advised that that is not feasible. In a statement, the board indicates that the financial statements will be published after an Auditor General is appointed. The value of Kenya's coffee has risen by 30% in this week's trading, helped by low volumes of the commodity at the auction and high international prices. A market report by the Nairobi Coffee Exchange indicates that a 50-kilogram bag of coffee on average fetched 19,074 shillings, up from 14,605 shillings recorded in the previous sale. NCE has indicated that the low volumes have been witnessed at the auction in recent sales, hence pushing up demand for the available stocks, resulting in higher prices. Kenya sells more than 95% of its coffee to the international market, which determines the value of the crop locally. As the number of lactose-intolerant people increases in the country, milk processors are faced with the challenge of how to meet the needs of this group of people. To tap into this market, state-owned New KCC has launched the Gold Crown lactose-free milk in the latest range of brands that it has introduced in the recent years. For those with lactose intolerance, consuming regular milk can cause digestive issues such as abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, and belching. New KCC is angling at expanding its market both locally and in the region to boost its market share.
Close to 40% of our population are having challenges taking milk because they have inability to digest lactose, which is the sugar in milk. And because of that, we identify that as a leading dairy processor, we need to find a solution.
Fake products that have been brought into the market illegally in Isili and other places. And I want to ask the Department of Livestock, the regulator, who I hope is represented here, the dairy board, and the KEBS to be steadfast in making sure that those products not find their way into the market again.
Interesting how almost every sector has concerns over fake products or substandard ones. A group of 117 countries led by Mexico, which are members of the World Trade Organization, have again issued a call at a meeting of the WTO's dispute settlement body to launch the process of filling vacancies at the appellate body. There are currently 4 vacancies at the dispute settlement body, which helps resolve disputes at the Global Trade Agency. The vacancies will increase to 6 as the terms of 2 members expire on the 10th of December. If they remain unfulfilled, it means the appellate body will no longer have a quorum to review new appeals, paralyzing one of the operations that is a key mandate of the WTO. It is now 2 years since the first appeal was issued to end the impasse facing the appellate body. The United States has maintained its stance that it is not in a position to agree with the proposal, given that the systemic concerns it previously identified remain unaddressed.